Good morning, dear students. So today we will start with new course of mathematics part first standard 11th science. In this we are going to cover chapter number 1, angle and its measurements. So in that we are having types of problem on coterminal angles, drawing the given angles and determining their quadrants, degree measure and radian measure, length of an arc, area of sector, length of an arc, area of a sector, so let us start. Exercise 1.1. So here first example is determine which of the following pairs of angles are coterminal. Determine which of the following angles are coterminal. So here what you have to do, measure of angle will be given to you. This is, suppose two angles are given to us, 210 minus 150 degree. So we have to subtract the angles. We have to subtract the second angle from the first angle, and if the sum is 360, then that given pair of angle are coterminal angle. For example, the solution for this is 210 degree minus into minus 150 degree, that is equal to 210 minus into minus will become plus 150 degree, that is equal to how much? It will become 360 degree. Here I will do the addition. 210 plus 150, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is 360. And once it is 360, then it is a multiple. It is a multiple of 360. We can write here, which is a multiple of 360. Therefore we can say the given pair of angles are coterminal. Therefore we can say, what we can say, the given pair of angles are coterminal. So this was our first example. We'll move on to next example. Second example is example number 2. (360, minus 30). What you have to do? You have to subtract the second angle from first angle. So 360 minus 30, and this will become 360 plus 30. That is equal to how much? 390, which is not a multiple of 360, which is not a multiple of 360. So clearly we can say that the given pair of angles are not coterminal. The given pair of angles are not coterminal. We'll move on to next example, example number 3. That is minus 180 degree and 540 degree. So here 540, what you have to do? You have to subtract the smaller angle from the bigger angle. Minus 180, minus into minus 180, so it will become plus 540 minus minus plus 180. So 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 4 plus 8 is 12. 1 carried. 5 plus 1 6, 1 7. So this will become 720. 720 is multiple of 360. If you multiply 2 into 360, you will get 720. So we can write here which is which is a multiple of 360. So the given pair of angles are coterminal. Next example, example number 4. Example number 4, that is minus 405 degree, 675 degree. So always subtract smaller angle from the bigger angle. So bigger angle is 675, and if we subtract minus 405, then you get what? 675 minus plus 405. So here we get 5 plus 5 is 10. So first 0 will come. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 0 is 8, and 6 plus 4 is 10. This is 1080. And as you already know, 1080 is a multiple of 360. So 3 into 360, that is equal to 1080. So here we know that this is a multiple. This is a multiple of 360. Therefore, we can write that the given pair of angles are coterminal. First of all, we will write which is a multiple of 360 degree. Therefore, we can write that the given pair of angles are coterminal. It is very simple. If the sum of the pair of angles is or are multiple of 360, then it is coterminal. If it is not, then it is not coterminal. We'll move on to next example. Next example is fifth one. Let us see example number 5. In example number 5, we are having 860 degree and 580 degree. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the smaller angle from given bigger angle. So 860 minus 580, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 8 is not possible. This will become 7, this will become 16, 16 minus 8 is 8, 7 minus 5 is 2. So this is 280. This is what? 860 minus 580 is 280, which is not a multiple, which is not a multiple of 360. Therefore, we can say that the given pair of angles are not coterminal. Last example of this type is example number 6. Example number 6. 900 degree minus 900 degree. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the smaller angle from the bigger angle. So this will not become 0. 900 minus into minus 900 degree. So this will be 900 plus 900 and it will be equal to 9 2s are 18. So 1800 it will become 1800 degrees, and which is a multiple of 360. So if you multiply 5 by 360, then you get what? 1800. So we can write here clearly, which is a multiple of 360 degree. So we can say the given pair of angles are coterminal. The given pair of angles are coterminal. So we have finished 1A. Determine which of the following pairs of angles are coterminal. And in this we have seen all the 6 examples. The solution for all the 6 examples. Next is 1B. We have to draw the angles of the following measures and determine their quadrant, in which angle it will lie. So that we will see in the next session. Thank you.